Welcome, here I've got iPad mini 2021 and I'm gonna show you how to record the slow motion video at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode, so we have to change it. Let's do it by moving to the right side, and using this settings bar we have to simply go up and pick the slow motion. Now we can start recording this type of video by using this big red button, the shutter, from the right. So let me start to show you how it works. And now let's stop by tapping again on the shutter button. To see the video we have to pick this button under the shutter so we can get quick access to the gallery. And this is how the slow motion video looks like at this device. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.